How to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting them on your story. This is a great way to keep your profile organized while maintaining your privacy. So let's get started. First things first, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is simply swipe right and simply create a story. You can choose whichever or whatever photo or story that you want to put in your highlight. And once you've done that, simply click on your story. Once you've done that, you do not need to put the story for more time. You can simply put and simply tap on three dots and simply tap on archive. Once you've done that, you can simply go to your profile, tap on three horizontal lines and simply go to archive. From here, simply go to storage archive. As you can see here, story archive, simply tap on highlight, and here you can simply add a new highlight like this. Simply go to back, and as you can see here, and that's it. That's how you can simply add a highlight to your Instagram without posting on story.